Good morning, guys. So today is, what day is it today? I don't even know what day it is, but I know it is a Thursday. So what I'm gonna do today is take you guys with me through my day, just what I'm doing here in Barbados. Right now I'm just gonna get ready to go and work out, so I'm just gonna wash my face quickly, brush my teeth, slap on some workout gear and go and work out outside, and then I'm gonna run to the shop, buy some fruits for breakfast and get a bit of reading done, do some work, make lunch, etc, etc. You'll see as the day progresses. But yeah, so the time is about 8 AM. I wanted to wake up earlier, but it's what it is. So yeah, see you guys in a few. So I actually use a actual tongue brush to brush my tongue because my toothbrush is a little bit small. I just find this to be more effective. Nice and clean. So I'm just going to now put on my clothes and get ready. So this is what I'm wearing to exercise. So basically what's happening here is that I thought I was recording normally on my iPhone, but I was recording in slow-mo. So I was like, you know what, Ash looks decent, let me just slap it in the video anyway. So enjoy my mini fashion show interval thingy majiggy. So I've actually bought my workout trainers. I don't know what brand they are. I've had them for years. I bought them because they were in the sale and they were cute. So yeah, I've had these for ages. They are Nikes. They are Nike Free TR Fit 5. But they're amazing. They're amazing to work out in. Running in, not so much. So I just work out in these. Got my socks. These are from Diaspora Socks, black owned Caribbean / African sock company. So they sell loads of different socks with different flags. So this is obviously, in fact, you guys guess what sock, guess what country the sock is associated with. But yeah, I have 3 pairs of their socks now. Love their socks, really good quality socks. Mine are kind of washed out, but that's my fault. But they're still great quality. Okay, so I'm ready to exercise. Probably gonna exercise for about half an hour, 45 minutes. It's a lot working out in the sun, like directly in the sun, so it take time, but yeah, we still get it done,
Squat, lift, press, here we go, push it hard all the way, yes. Come on, Cindy, yes we can. Your heart rate should be nice and high. Bring it down, let's recover. Use this recovery to reset. Right, beautiful job. Remember how lucky you are.
Round one. Fight.
push-ups. If you need to do push-ups on your knees, you may. Keep that core top. Drive.
So I just finished my workout. I'm just gonna go to the shop to grab my fruit. So I'm gonna go and get some papaya, some pineapple, and some fig bananas. Okay, so I've got 2 coconuts, this huge papaya, which is gonna ripen. It's not that ripe, but it will ripen. Some ginger, some mangoes, some cucumber, some ripe plantain, and some more green plantain. Quick tip, there's gonna be so the coconut has 3 holes. One of them is the one that you break into easily, so. And I just use a wine opener, put it in. And there you go. It's usually like the big looking one. So literally just stir it on and you'll hear it. Give it a wiggle. Voila. So I'm gonna have a lime shot. So sometimes I'll have in the morning some warm lemon, sometimes a shot of lime, sometimes coconut water. Cheers. Put a bit of salt. Woo. So what I'm gonna do now is have a shower, I wash my face, and start my day. Okay, so I'm about to make some lunch. I'm gonna be using some quinoa, my babe. My grandma brought up some cassava, some green press, fry some ripe plantain, and I'm gonna cook these like a light stir fry. Yes, I'm gonna lightly stir fry these. So now I'm gonna prep the plantain. One green, one ripe. So if you haven't, make sure you follow me on Instagram at BLISSFULSPERSPECTIVE. I'll leave it somewhere around here because I've done a mini tutorial on how I prep my green plantain. So make sure you guys go and check that out when it comes to cooking, because we don't just eat with our eyes. I mean, our mouth, sorry. We eat with our eyes, we eat with our touch, we eat with our ears, we eat with our nose. So all of these components matter when it comes to food preparation. And for me, the pressed plantain is my fave now. Like, I'm gonna press both of these and you'll see. It just tastes nicer. Like, I just can't explain it. So you're gonna have green pressed and we're gonna have ripe pressed plantain. A little tip, what I like to do is, I'm gonna put some raisins in my quinoa, just to add the sweet balance, because I put a bit of curry powder, paprika, and turmeric in the veg. And I'm gonna grate some ginger on top and add some tomatoes as well. Well, I got a bit of celery. So one of my grandma's neighbors brought around some fresh moringa. If you could smell this, it just smells so good. Moringa is also known as the miracle tree. It has so many medicinal purposes. It's awesome. Good night, guys. So it's now 8:39 p.m. and I've had quite a long day, to be honest. I finished recording my podcast maybe 2 hours ago. It was a live. We go live on Thursdays at 9 p.m. UK time at AWWOS podcast on Instagram. We're on all major podcast streaming platforms, so Apple Music, Spotify, wherever else they host podcasts, we're there. The name of the podcast is A Wise Woman Once Said, so be sure to go and check that out. So right now what I am doing is I'm currently editing actually some of this video. It's extremely long, and I'm also going to do some reading because I haven't finished my reading. I haven't done my reading, and I want to do at least 2 hours worth of work, but I'm really tired, so I'm going to see what I can squeeze in. My laptop just died, so that's not good. I don't really like using it while it's charging because the battery's already messed up. So I'm gonna see, but I'll probably end the vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this mini day in the life, day in Barbados vlog with me. I tried to have productive days as much as I can. My days are not always productive, nor do they always look like this. Let's be real. So yeah, good night, stay safe, and be blessed and be merry.